to another video from the farm. Today, fixing up the front door. Right, let's grab a couple of these out and begin. Cobbled together from old bits of board and old timbers, but we've got a door ready. So first things first, I'm going to finish off this trim that I've got on that side. See, I've got it all the way up to the top. I need to finish it along the top and then down here, and then put a door handle on. I think the door handle in basically the same position as the latch. Okay, got the latch on. Had to jerry-rig it a bit though, because the usual lever arm for this was nowhere near fitting in here, so as you can see, gosh, job's a good one. So after cutting these little blocks, quick measure just then, I think I'm going to do a series of 11cm and 5.5cm wide blocks in some sort of pattern over the door, because then I can speed cut all the blocks out and then just crack on letting my mind flow, fill the door in. So let's do that. Alright then, that's the basic door finished now. Got the sword in the middle. I just need to add one more layer of wood to. So this is like a background for a shaped edge sword sort of thing in the middle. Bosh. Looking good. Just going to give it a bit of a clean off now. And then I think I'm going to let it dry out. Maybe just varnish it. So it's actually just starting to rain now. So I think I'll wrap this video up here and leave the varnishing for the next one. As I'll probably be doing the windows on the next one too, so I could do with varnishing the whole door frame and all the window frames at the same time really. Right then, I hope you enjoyed seeing this door come together. I'm pretty pleased with it myself. Let me know what you think below, leave a comment. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification button too, so you actually see my videos pop up. So until next time then, bye bye.